Thank you. COP-QC, COBOL Quality Check and Error Detection Tool, assures drastic reduction in number of bugs in COBOL applications. Today we will cover COP-QC, a new ISPF application programs that work very similar to gem command used in JCLs. Types of bugs and errors identified by the tool. Batch process that create a report of bugs with program name and line numbers. Best tools are easy to use and high in utility. To use this tool, the programmer or a reviewer only need to type a command COP-QC on the command line and press Enter key. Within few seconds, all the warnings appear on the top of the program and also just before the line where the bug is present. Now let us take a look at the various warnings this tool shows to the programmer. The tool is primarily designed to check how data is handled in the variables and the issues that are not caught in compilation of the program. The first set of warnings that are appearing over here are common errors where a field is used without being defined in data division. This type of error is also identified in compilation, but it saves a lot of time if this is shown by this simple command. The second set of warning is shown to reduce SOC7 or ASRA event. Many programmers generally move spaces to initialize group variables. COBOL compiler allows it to remain consistent with old COBOL compilers. The elementary or edited fields, when used directly, may result in SOC7 or ASRA event. So this tool shows various instances where a SOC7 or ASRA event may happen down the line in this program or in other programs down the stream. The third set is where a signed numeric field is moved to a numeric field. These type of errors are difficult to find in testing also. There are scenarios where programmer may feel that the business will always get positive amount and defines his working storage field as unsigned field. Let us say the database field is a signed field and one fine day the business receives a -$500. After this move, the target field will receive not -$500 but +$500. A discrepancy of $1,000 will occur because of that. This results in severe reconciliation discrepancies. These type of errors are equally difficult to find in testing also, because the test data may also contain only the positive amounts. The fourth set of error is when there is a data truncation. These alerts help programmers to use reference modification or increase the size or length of the target field. The fifth set is where we have a truncation in numeric data move. In numeric moves, truncation occurs from the left and therefore most significant number gets truncated. Let us take the case of this particular move. Here the source field is defined signed and it contains 9-digit integer part. Whereas the target field is defined numeric and contains only 8-digit integer part. So here two warnings are shown to the programmer. One, if a negative amount is received, it will be converted to a positive amount in the target field. And second, if we receive a very large amount, then the most significant digit will be truncated. COP/QC batch process allows you to run through a number of programs in PDS and create report of bugs in those. Let's take a look at that. Suppose you want to identify bugs in all the programs that starts with C in a PDS called group1.c4. After I run this process, that report will be created and be placed in group1.flx. It takes a very short time to run this process. Let us say I submit this. Within few seconds, a report will be generated. That will contain various program names with the line number and the bug description. This audit report can be given to support application to proactively fix the bugs before they appear in the form of defects. That is all I have for today. Finally, allow this tool to drastically reduce application development and maintenance effort. Thank you.